Alright, so we're going to do the up the nose video. I've been debating for the last 2 days whether or not to post this video, or these two. Basically there's two frames from a video, but I'm going to do this because my good friend, the late Chuck Prawl, had me promise him that whatever I got, I'd post it. Sasquatch, video related, I'd post it, and so I'm going to do it. To set this up or to explain what's going on, basically this video I posted a couple years ago. This is one of the very first 4K captures I have of what I think is a Sasquatch, and I was walking by this thick foliage across the creek, and this creepy eye and right cheek watched me go by. You can see the eye move as this Sasquatch watches us, and he's black with he has black skin, and he has black hair, darker hair. And then what happens is I posted that video, yada yada. Well, you have to understand it. When I'm doing analysis of videos, lots of times when I find something, what I'll do is I'll hit the print screen button and capture, go frame by frame and hit print screen and paste that into my paint.net, my picture editor, paint.net, and then say crop and save it. And so, I did that with this video, but I was so kind of concentrated on the creepy part with the eye watching us move by that I really, I didn't really just kind of fall through, and I'd capture, a few, 10 or 12 more frames, after I'd walked by. And I was just, a couple days ago, I was just kind of going through some of my older stuff, and I, opened that folder here, all these screenshots, and so I went through them, and I noticed, is this one, good grief, So after I'd walked by, apparently this thing had moved into another location. Just, in other words, it was a little bit lower, and then it kind of, as I walked by, it kind of raised up and looked out of another patch, of foliage, so it could see me. And there's a couple frames, and one of them you can really see its eyes and its, part of its face really good, and it actually pushes the foliage and everything. And so I went back to the original video trying to find this, and I found it, but it's not as clear. See, that's the thing. That's what's driving me crazy. I just, with the computer and everything I was doing, I got, a couple decently clear screenshots. But when I went back and did the video and rerun it, tried to find those frames again, while I do find them, they're not near as clear, and I can't make them any clearer. So it's just the luck of the draw on that. And so I'm not going to post this and go 100% it's a Sasquatch, but I think, well, it is. I think it's the same Sasquatch, just different locations. But I'm going to go ahead. There's two frames. I'll loop them and I'll do a blow up. It looks pretty good to me. But since I can't, I'd really like to post a video, but there's nothing for the video to post, and all it's going to do is make people lose their minds. So I just thought, no, I'll just show you these two frames. Got the background of how they got where they got, and how I got them, and it is what it is. It's two frames. Looks like it's kind of his head's back, and then he moves forward to peek out at me, and then that's it in the video. So it is what it is. It's a video of a Sasquatch, I think, and like I said, keeping the promise to Chuck to post it and let the chips fall where they may. Y'all have a good one, and hope you enjoyed looking at my nostrils. you.